Good day everyone, today we're going to show you how to install Microsoft Office for free without the need or without the use of product activations license key or crack key. So now let's get started. The first thing you should do is open any browser that you want, and in my case I open Google Chrome. So on Google Chrome, on the search bar, type Office Customization Tool. Office Customization Tool, Microsoft 365 Apps Admin Center. So click that link, and then now before we can install the Microsoft Office, so the first thing we should do is to export it, but there's a lot of things to do before doing that. So in this case, the first thing is which architecture do you want to deploy. So if your computer's operating system is under 32-bit or 64 bits. So if you are wondering how to know your system or operating system, is first go to your Windows and type settings, go to your computer settings, and in here click system, and after clicking system, on the bottom part is about, click the about, and in here we can see the system type, which is 64-bit operating system. Therefore my computer is 64-bit, so I'm going to choose that 64-bit. Next, products. Under the products, Office Suites, so click Office LTSC Professional 2021 volume license. And if you are curious about the acronym LTSC, so what does it mean by LTSC? It means long-term servicing channel. It's actually a design for Microsoft or for Windows 10, and it is said to be a perpetual version of Microsoft, meaning to say it does not need a product key or activation key in order for that software to work. Alright, so that's it. Now let's proceed to the next, additional products. So in here, language pack, and select the version which is latest, and apps, turn apps on or off to include or exclude them from being deployed. So it's all up to you if you want to install all the available apps here on your computer on the Microsoft Office package. So in my case, I'm going to choose only those that are commonly used and those that are my need, which is Excel, Word, and PowerPoint. Therefore, I'm going to turn this up. Access, OneNote, Teams, OneDrive Note, Outlook, and Publisher. And those remaining such as PowerPoint, Word, and Excel. Then click next. Then select the language. So English language, United States or United Kingdom. Then click next. Then next. And in here, uninstall any MSI versions of Office including Visio and Project. Click off. Then next. Then Office LTSC Professional Plus 2021 volume license. So you have here two options, KMS and Mac. So if you have a separate license key or product activation, then you're going to choose Mac. So of course, what we're doing right now is a demonstration of installing Microsoft Office without the use or without the need of activation key. Therefore, we're going to choose KMS. Its license is automatically on this link. So now let's proceed to the next. Then next, and go all the way down here and click finish, and that's it. Click export. Once you fill up all the necessary information here, then click export. So Office Open XML formats, so click that, then press OK. Then I accept the terms in the license agreement. Then make sure that you don't change the file name here. Configuration, export, click export. Then now we have the file configuration. Show in folder, and it was already there on my downloads folder. I'm going to create a separate folder which is mainly for my Microsoft installation, Microsoft Office, and I'm going to transfer this configuration to this folder. So configuration. Now the next thing or the next step that you should do is go back to your browser and type Office Deployment Tool. Office Deployment Tool, and you need to download the deployment tool or Office Deployment Tool. It is a command line tool that you can use to download a deploy click to run version of Office such as Microsoft 365 apps for enterprise to your client computers. Alright, so press download. Then if you want to speed up your processing or download processing, so just click here, and now show in folder Office Deployment Tool.exe. Then click yes, click here to accept the Microsoft software license term. Then extract it on where you put the file of configuration. So in my case, I'm going to extract here on my downloads folder. Under the downloads folder, we have Microsoft Office, and then press OK. Then all the necessary files are in here on my Microsoft Office folder. Then the next things that you should do is go back to your search bar or Google search, and type Google Office Deployment Tool 2021. Then deploy Office LTSC 2021 Microsoft Learn. The only thing that you need here is the link under the console setup/configure configuration.xml. So what's the use of this? So the first thing that we need to do is go to our CMD or command prompt, then run as administrator, and type here cd space the file location where you created or transfer all the necessary files for installation of Microsoft Office. So I'm going to copy here the file location, cd space the file location. Then the next step and last step is copy this console. Then I'm going to paste it in here on my command prompt. Now we're getting ready in installing the Microsoft Office. So let's just wait for a few minutes. Alright? So please stay online while Office download. Installation has finished. Your Office product is now completely installed. Alright, so that's it. Now, let's try to demonstrate or to open a Microsoft Office like Microsoft Word for us to see whether it needs for activation key or not. So if we're going to click Word, then in here click Option or click About or Account on the bottom part, Account, then Product Activated. So it does not need a product key anymore. It's already there, automatically there. So that's it. And if we're going to go on the blank page, we can see here there's no need for us to input any product key. So that's it. So thank you for listening, and God bless, and have a nice day.